I had somebody who just subscribed to my channel the other day asked me if I had palm videos of my collection or a series of palm videos of my collection, and to answer that, there's plenty of stuff. I think I've covered just about everything in my yard. There's 3 palm tour videos, and then I've got individual videos of stuff that I've got. So what I'll do today to crank out a palm porn video is I'll show off my seedling collection as of July 2015. So we'll start over here. I've got some Areca triandra, a little bit on the chlorotic side. These seedlings are struggling for some reason. I've got some bigger ones that made it, and they did well. These are Arenga caudata here. Heterospathe intermedia. There's some little heterospathe alata down there. And then over here, Linonia dazianthus. I think that used to be Laquala. And Dictyosperma album conjugatum down there. Some little baby Carpentaria down there. This is a little Hydriostele rheophytica. I got a couple more there. Guazia princeps, Culpothrinax wrightii. I think that's all that's in there. There's a little, what is that one? I'll get back to that in a second. Dipsis rosei, Arenga hookeriana, those 4 little ones in the green thing there. That's a Phandra natal, or Natalia. This is a Tychosperma schefferi. I got about 3 of those. Let's see, I got a taller Carpentaria here. And I know I've got a Dipsis samophylla, Bactris gassipes back there. These Basilinea glabrata are pretty interesting. They're kind of the New Caledonia type of palm, and they've actually done pretty good here. Orania pallidum, some Carpentaria, I think, back there, maybe, or not Carpentaria. I'm not sure what those are there. This is Penanga salicifolia in this tray. I've gotten in orders from both Floribunda and Rare Palm Seeds recently in the last couple weeks. Prestoia ensiformis, I think. Let me look at the tag. Yeah, ensiformis. Sagres rushiana, which are not doing well here. Some more Penanga. Those are the ivory cane palms. The Kuhlii, or I can't remember. It's Kuh something, Kuhlii, I can't remember. And here I got a bunch of Heterospathe alata, Dipsis mahajanga, which are in that Madagascariensis group, and a couple other things whose names are lost right now. Carpentaria acuminata, little seedlings there. Some spindle palms there. Tychosperma caryatoides. Some triangle palms, Dipsis decari, a single Alligoptera urnaria. Back here are some, that's a Howea forresteriana, Ravenea sambirinensis, Chunio phoenix nana. This is a Guazia Gomez Pompey, Arconta phoenix cunninghamiana. This one is a Syagris, believe it or not, is 10 years old or better. It just sits, it doesn't do anything. The seed came from a clumping Syagris in Fairchild that they didn't have an identity for the species. These are some kind of crown shafty feathery thing that looked like a cross between Carpentaria and Arcana phoenix. Strangely enough, it was planted in a group of Syagris, queen palms, and the guy that turned me on to the plant said it was supposed to be planted as a queen palm, but it was a crown shaft with red seeds, like I said, somewhere between Arcana phoenix and a Carpentaria. Meridia flexiosa there, Heterospathe barfordii, Liquala peltata sumawangii, Syagris stenopetala. I got tons of those. Some Dipsis faneva here. I got a few trays of those. They were already sprouting when I got them from Toby. And over here I got some taller 3 gallons that are getting ready to go to a show this fall. Let's see, this one is Astracarium murumuru. Those are pretty cool. I like those. one of the few armed palms that I'll keep in my collection. Syagris kellyana here, Syagris coronata, schizophylla, botryophora, and maybe something else there. There's a Narenga australasica, Pichardia hillebrandii, some various Vicia, more kellyana over there. And then if we go back over here for a minute, I'll make sure you guys get a good dose of palm seedlings, because with my obsessive personality, I have a lot of stuff here. Beccaria phoenix alfredii, some Caryota, I think those are just Midas, Syagris ex campus portuana, Liquala peltata, variety peltata, Arcana phoenix myolensis, Carpoxylon macrospermum. This will be my third attempt to get one to survive in the ground here. I'm going to raise this up for a couple years in container and then put it in my yard. Beccaria phoenix madagascariensis, I got a ton of those. Some Syagris picrophylla, more of those myolensis there. Some foxtails, the woodyetia, the MacArthuri, Tygosperma MacArthuri, some different sables there, some triangle palms, more of those. These are Wallichia oblongifolia. They used to be densiflora. Some Pichardia, I believe those are Aphinus. I don't know though. I just got seeds from trees growing on the beach side. And Thrinax radiata. Need to be out in the sun a little bit more. Some unknown Copernicia. These are Cocothrinax Camagüeyensis there with tons of weeds in them. I need to catch up on my weeding. And over here, for our last little spot, more of those Pananga these are Pananga adengensis, which reminds me, let me go back here for a second. This is an Areca triandra that actually looks nice. It actually came through okay, and this is a Pananga adengensis that looks good. So that's a happy Areca triandra, unlike those other ones. So those are more Pananga adengensis. This is Bactris coloradonus here, Hydrostele wendlandiana. There's two Guihaya here. One of them just died. I had both the Grossa fibrosa and the aggregata. Cocothrinax barhidiana, some kind of Chunia phoenix, some other stuff that I don't know. Caryota Midas variegated. Looks like a royal palm there. I did a video of this not too long ago. This is the Clinosperma bracteale. Still doing pretty good for New Caledonia palm. There's a large Dactylifera there. I think that one is Dactylifera. There's a royal palm there. And this is a little progress update on a cross between Syagris coronata and Alligoptera arenaria. So this is the only thing that survived out of like 60 seeds that I started. So I think that's it. There's a little Cheliacarpus chuco there. That's another Arania pallidon and Pichardia. Oh, here's another community pot, some solitaire palms, Tygosperma elegans. So anyway, hopefully that's enough palm seedlings to get your fix for today.